Do you truly understand how stressful it is to hope someone wins the next election because your life depends on it? That's not normal. That is not freedom. That's why I started building my digital real estate business. This is the future of real estate marketing and sales.
Is President Trump on defense over the plunging and volatile economy?
The US president has declared he's no longer going to play hardball on tariffs on Chinese goods.
That's tariff charged to the USA, including currency manipulation and trade barriers.
And by the end of this video, I'll show you how to build a recession-proof business that will make you money every single month, even when our country is going through chaos. If you're working a 9-to-5 right now, in the next few months, you're going to feel the pressure from these tariffs. First, it's going to start off with your career, then your income, then it's going to hit your savings, and then finally, it's going to hit your family. This business model has changed everything for me. And no longer is it just the best time to get into it, it might actually be the last. When the market shifts, average people panic, but smart people pivot. Here's the harsh truth of a recession. People will lose their jobs. People won't be able to keep up with their payments, especially their mortgages. And people are going to need to sell their homes or rental portfolio fast for cash. The real estate market will be completely saturated by this point, so selling your home or Zillow or with a realtor won't be effective. Now, on the other side of this, investors are stacking cash, waiting to buy cheap, ugly properties. They love when the market dips. This is how wealth is built. Warren Buffett said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." And that's where digital real estate comes in, right there in the middle, right between where people need to sell their homes and investors are buying. So with digital real estate, we're able to strategically target people who need to sell their homes fast. Now, my personal method of digital real estate is I like to target people who are in distress, people who have situations where I can add value. These are people in pre-foreclosure, code violation, divorces, bankruptcy, probate, evictions. It doesn't matter what the situation is. I can target these people and say, hey, let me help you. Let me help you sell your home for cash. Just know this is all public information, right? So I'm able to scrape this data and target these people and say, hey, let me buy your home for cash. Now, of course, these people are in distress, so they're going to say yes. Just for example, let's say I offer the seller $50,000 for their property. Now, I'm not going to put down $50,000, but watch this. I'm going to sign a contract with the seller and say, hey, I'm going to give you $50,000 for your property. Then I'm going to take that same contract to an investor and say, hey, this ugly property that you're going to make probably $20,000, $30,000 on whenever you sell it, I'm going to charge you $70,000 for this property. And because these investors are so cash heavy and motivated to buy real estate investments, that $70,000 is nothing to them. Now, at the time of closing, he's gonna bring that $70,000 to the closing table. The seller's gonna walk away with $50,000 because that's what they're owed, and that $20,000 that's left over, that goes to you. To round it back, investor brings 70, seller take 50. You get $20,000 for being a middleman. Mind you, I've never met the seller, I never saw the property, and I've never met this investor a day in my life. And at the time of recording this video, this business model is completely recession-proof. Whether the market goes up or down, you are profitable. Right here are just a few examples of everyday people just like you taking action in this business model and completely changing their lives. This is the first real estate business model where you do not have to own the property. You don't have to have thousands of dollars in capital, and you can do it completely remote. And if you couldn't tell, I get so passionate about this business model because not too many people know about it. And just last year, I made over $350,000 completely from my bedroom. I've never seen a seller, a buyer, or a property in my life. I've seen people go from $5K in their bank account to $50,000 within a month. I'm one of them. And not only do I help homeowners get out of tough situations, but I help everyday people just like you make $10,000 to $20,000 every single month consistently. And if I showed you the wins inside my private community right now, you'd realize there's no secret to this business model. It's just the right system and support. To prove this isn't luck, I'm gonna go through a few wins just from the past few weeks. Agent Farmer is one of my clients who is 17 years old. He made $9,500 from his high school classroom. Parker is my business partner and also a newborn dad. Shout out to Jet. He just made $32,000 taking a property and selling it to an investor. 2 weeks ago, John Luca made $19,000. Last month, Eric closed his first deal for $13,000. I can keep scrolling and show you thousands of testimonials in this video, but I'm not done until I can help you too. Let me take you under my wing. Let me show you what real guidance looks like. If you truly want to learn more about digital real estate and want a one-on-one mentor, someone that you can hop on calls with, ask questions, shoot them a text, I'm your guy. All you have to do is hit the link down below. It is completely free. You'll hop on a call with my team. We'll see if you're a good fit, because I don't work with everybody. I don't work with dummies. I'm gonna be honest with you, right? And if you are a good fit, we're gonna take you to that $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month. Just hit the link down below, book a call. We'll talk to you soon. And you can keep waiting, hoping the economy gets better, hoping your job stays safe, hoping the government will step in and save you, or you can take control now. But the truth is, we both know no one's going to step in to save you. But if you're ready to save yourself, this is the business model to do it. If you truly want to learn more about this industry, book a call using the link down below, subscribe, watch more of my videos, educate yourself, and I'll talk to you soon.